Hi! In front of me is TCL Tab 10, and today I would like to show you how you can change the food apps on this device. First of all, go into Play Store, click on the search bar and install your new food app, in my case Opera Mini browser. When it's ready, click on Home button and access device's settings. After accessing the settings, you need to choose Apps over here. Scroll down and click on the food apps. Now tap on one of those sections. I wish to change my browser, so I have to tap on Browser app, choose Opera Mini to set it up, and click on the back button. As you can see, after that, my food app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!